this after this we have to incident management. In incident management we have to like this, okay, in this case management, in the major incident, in the major implementation and raise the solution. If a major means in the raise the solution, and if it means implementation solution, asset solution like this. And a resolved means okay, if yes means okay, no issues. If not resolved, again will go for like this, okay. A resolution, okay. And review requirement, update, close, finish. Okay, after this incident and detect the records, recording symptoms, configuration and service affected, incident classification supports. There should be analysis, discovery, reason, incident classified, initial support given, variable use, investigation, diagnosis, resolution, recoveries. After that, benefits of incident management to reduce the business impact, improvement quality and provision, less staff and users, better staff utilization and efficiency. These are the incident, fault, incident, task, sub cases, everything is there. After this is the problem management record. Means we have to use investigation the problem and start identity of the record problem. After this category and allocate the problem, identity and root case of the problem. If means suspend the problem means yes means what are the catalog, if no means identity and implementation of the fix. After this implement fix and workflow acceptance. Means if yes means again accept, workflow still acceptable means yes we can do like this. If no means if yes permanent fix. If no means again the request means root cause analysis. In the root cause analysis, after this permanent fix means yes, close the problem record like this. Same like this same, okay. Same issues record and update the ticket. This is okay. Problem. What is the error? What is the problem prescriptions? What are the management solutions? Okay, in the management consists of improve the task and improvement service, first time fix or rate, good reputation and like that. Permanent root cause analysis. Problem is problem investigation record correctives and a task subunit like this we have to use in the ticket. Change management, okay. In the change management consists of start the raise the change and domain planning and approvals, valid changes, approve change and business approval request and communication problems. And the communication after this is the C, domain planning and validity changes, approve the change. Business approval means business approval is required, yes. S means approve change, and S means communication and authorization implementation. Go on, go decision means determine changes, wait the implementation. Wait the implementation. If yes means authorities. If go means regress. After this, post change review. After this, close the change. Means wait the implementation, schedule, reschedule. Yes means reschedule. No means post change reviews. Close the request flows. Okay, these are the implementation changes. Change the records. Finish. After this, change management consists of facilities. What are the facilities available in the change progress, assess providing better approach, better work, and supporting the management and coordination with the teams, and resolve the issues and resolve the changes in time. Increase in the change consists of increase visibility and reduce the bugs, improve the better quality and actual business needs like this. better assessment cost and improved problems, supply availability management, data availability, observe large volumes, improve productivity, users improve productivity, technologies, staff, lesser repairing. Okay, they are the management. In release management, okay, product release consists of these are the release. Okay, what is the release means? The start and establishment policies, planning, after maintenance, policies, no, policies yes means finish, no means change requirement, and again after this, identity control, status of accounting, verification and audit, control, any changes the incident, any update in the fixed spec, service level management. What is the service level management consist of? The other service level management. Okay, now start a new service offering, requirement gathering, after the document approve SLA, after SLA service SLA approved, monitor service levels under retire service offering, review, if yes means okay, review means no means, again we can do monitoring the service, and after this, SLA is a review and SLA amendment required, if yes means yes, no means can do like this. Okay, like this. SLAs without a breach, SLAs. Okay, what are the benefits of SLA modes? Okay, SLA can be used at changing the process and determining customer availability of like this. Misunderstanding between customer and the service providers are avoided. For SLA means avoided like this. Okay, availability management and reliability and maintenance serviceability and the security like this. Benefits of implementing availability management, capacity and storage management. Any issues, David team will take care about this. Capacity management rules and documentation need to be increased, reduce hardware or software, produce management reporting, size of all property use in terms, assess new technology, produce like this. Okay, benefit of the capacity, less easily aware, reduce the risk of problem if I use IT continuous management. Okay, risk management and recovery plans. Benefits of ITSM tools means finance management issues, budget like this. Okay, benefits of like this. This is what are the incident means unplanned interruption of degradation issues. What is the incident management process to restore normal service operation as a quick as possibility to minimize the impact of business operations and ensure possibility level service level. Major incident means major incident is defined event of significant impact or urgency of business, which is P1 P2 P3 records demand response beyond root incident management process. Okay, means problem record means cause one of the more incident or particular incident repeats more than n times, will be caused customer requirements. Problem can create the problem record if you go problem permanent fix. Okay, we cannot reopen until like this. All changes, the rules in the changes of CMDB, change management database. In the change management consists CMDB means configuration management database. POM is planning of action. RFC means request for change. Okay, like this scope of the change management, types of the changes, standard, normal, and emergency change. Emergency change. In this standard change, pre-authorized standard change is a service. After this, no, this is the normal change. Normal change refers to complete change management process. Normal change carry according to risk and impact organization business. For example, minor change will impact like this. Emergency change means reserved for changes, intent, repair, errors, ID service, and impact business. High degree to protect organization for threats. But change cap authority means people made IT management submatters experts chaired change managers to mission change advisor board to plan the monitor and changes introduce responsibility assets availability asset review determine post install reviews emergency change advisory board ECE cap board who make a decision to high impact emergency changes membership of ECE decide to meeting call depend upon nature of the emergency change. We can do like this. What are the change management process? What are the change management? We will see how to open the changes process, change initiation, change approval, change implementation, post implementation, change life cycle rules, change initiation, review, planning, change approval, change implementation, post implementation review and closures. After change initiation, review, planning, change implementation, post implementation reviews. This is the process. Change review, initial prioritized, initial submit, CR triggered, PM and other all thing is there. After the approval, after this approval implementation, after this post like this. Okay, initiation after complete all the things standard change, minor change, major emergency change, business impact, technical risk. This is the service impact by the CR, low to medium 3, high 4, like this. Will be there downtime. We can take dynamo how many minutes, how many seconds, like this. We have the effect like this. Okay, when to implement the change in maintenance period 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 10 hours. We can do like this. Technical risk questions, performance without failure, like this. We can do rollback plan availability in the change evaluation tested successfully, urgent emergency changes like this. Evaluation matrix business impact 30, total 13 to 16, high 7 to 12, medium. Evaluation matrix technical risk like this. Okay, extension wide, modern, minority, like this. Okay, emergency change accelerated process follows. Emergency means immediately fix the issues, means application deployment and SSL certificates and fix back related issues. We can do like this. We can implement iFix. These are the incident. Okay, means change here. We can do like this. Okay, in this first gather the requirements. We can build. After this testing and submit the CR. After this submit, we can review. After like this happen. After this, create new CR. Create new CR. See, create support company first. See, like this change management like this. It happened in the raising the CR means like this. Means okay. In this classification tab, in the classification tab, major or minor issues, product categories, product name, like this. Raising okay, raising assignment details, which company need to assign and what is the manager and change request to start date and the schedule date and a list of approvals, business approval, implementation approval, close down approvals, product categories and emergency situation, business impact and technical reviews, SME and track lead and change manager level and customer approval, business to business approval and e-cab, emergency cab, change authorities, These are the standard changes and standard major and minor clauses approval matrix. Yes means level 1, no means yes means based on the situation we have to write the emergency cab approval. This is a major issues. Customer service owner means cab approval. After this raise the request, next step is change manager and track the owners. They are the change approval process, change initiation, and after this validation. Standard change. Standard change means after this follow the follow process or not. After these major changes, follow the major process approval or not. Checking business after this approved. Yes means change implementation. No means reason this. After means you can implement the change. Okay, like this pending means change level here review like the approvals. Okay, what are the status, what are the risk, what are the significant changes, what are the urgency, medium, what are the future approvals required. Show means like the in BMC like this, request authorization, schedule planning like this, and schedule end date like this, and request end date like this. Okay, after this and after this, like authorization approvals tab, request a SME and track owner approvals is pending. After this, login approval and approval centrals. After this, click approve and click approves in BMC remedy. Based on the BMC remedy, authorization request approval control is approval means request for change status means like this. After change means change implementation cap approval see cap approval 1 or 2 approvals is listed in these flows. After this implementation is defined actual change. After implementation we have change implementation process, change approval process. After communication stakeholders, after implementation is successful means no, if successful means if yes, update the CMDB. No means possible correction happen. No performance backup plan. If changes not success, take backup plan. And after close the issues, close the changes success. You update the configuration management database and implementation. Move next step completed. Change and close the task. Okay. After this, close the changes closing state, change review and close, change implementation, perform the post implementation document lesson and law and the knowledge and law, and prepare the documentation for the change and close the end. CR close the following options has been made. Post implementation review performance record, implementation has been accepted and requested. CMDB has been updated. CMD configuration management database, document lesson learned to knowledge base. The other team means request authorization, request for change, schedule approvals. After this, after this schedule approval, as means after the schedule approval, change approved, change approved means implementation progress. Implementation means completed. Completed means close. Okay, task close. T means task. Change requester and implementation. Change initiated and identified asset critic. Yeah, change advisory board approves authorization participation assessment, and if it successfully meet or not we can change appends emergency cab approvals. Okay, after based on the rules we have approvals, emergency cab approvals is there. We have emergency cab, those who are in the safety, we have approved the cab. Okay, the track owners, change means reviews, developer any implementation resource timing schedule test backup plan, and all the things is meet or not we have to check like this. After this change manager, all the things we have to verify the change. After this, any questions like this, we can post implement. Okay. This is the changes approvals like this. These are the changes. Okay, this is the change in the ITIL process, mitigation and reduce the efficiency, change of process flow. These are the reason for change. What are the impact? What are the cost? Implementation planning. What are reason for change? Implementation cost, benefit analysis, impact of change, evaluation and planning. What are the priority? What are the schedule change? What are the backup plan? What are the identified stakeholders? Change approvals, change implementation and reviews. After this type of changes, okay, major and standard change and minor emergency change, EC emergency cap. If emergency fix security breach, server outage, we can take downtime for this. Use a ITIL change management, change management, business continuity plan, disaster recovery, and we can move DC DR activity. We can do like this. See, DR has been template captured details. Okay, request for change management, change approvals, change implementation, security patch, and cloud change management. After these are the major changes in integration with the modules, change management and CMDB, and change and release management, change and incidents are release. After CMDB, change management consists of incident or release management like this. Have a right approach is following or not. We have to verify change management, define changes and workflows, and stakeholder meet are there, and cab approvals communicating with the cab, and if any issues we can change the description, and backward plan is the properly meet or not, we have to verify. The other things happened. Okay, the other ITL process, this ITL process. Thank you for thank you all the things. Okay, I am this is the ITL process. Thank you watching this. Okay, if any issues contact me in this.